Hope you're having a fabulous day. I'm Johnny Tricky. This time I'm here aboard the Queen Mary in Long Beach. Let's take a look. I'm only here for one night. It's just to prepare for the Carnival cruise I'm about to embark on. But really, one night is probably all you need here.
The Queen Mary is probably the closest you can get to reliving the Titanic. But the Queen Mary is actually 130 feet longer, twice the tonnage, and about 20 years younger than the Titanic. It was a fully operational ocean liner from 1936 to 1967 and helped transport troops during World War II. If you're a history nerd like myself, you're going to love exploring the Queen Mary. The amazing Art Deco Promenade deck takes you back in time. The main hall is gorgeous with tempting shops selling sweets, souvenirs, and more. Explore the recreated historical rooms, such as the playroom, Commodore's office, game room, music room, and more. Along the outer decks, you'll find accurate scale models of the Titanic, Queen Mary, and more ships. The isolation room was fascinating and creepy at the same time. The grand, elegant dining rooms can still be utilized for special events. All around, you find historical relics and amazing Art Deco. It's also thrilling to explore the Queen Mary at night. It's quite romantic walking around the ship with all the lights on. I don't think it was around in the 1930s, but there is a pickleball court up top. The bridge has been meticulously restored to almost its authentic self. Don't forget to explore the lower decks as well. Nearby is Jackie's Spirit Shop, selling all sorts of interesting spiritual gifts and souvenirs. Apparently, the Queen Mary is haunted. For the main event, we swing dance in the retro high-ceiling Royal Salon. So much fun. Afterwards, we wandered into the lower decks and we found the N3 Speakeasy. You'll find lots of vintage lounge space, 2 bars, and a live jazz band. For a Wednesday night, this was absolutely awesome. The opulent Observation Bar is a classy place to relax and cocktail. Sometimes there's live music and karaoke. The kitchen stays open late and serves up a pretty good pizza. Our historic first-class cabin was restored nearly accurately to the original. The warm woods and Art Deco design was elegant and efficient with lots of cabinetry. The beds are rather small, but still very comfy. The bathroom, however, was a little too historic and could probably use some love. Some of it looks like it was still from the 1930s. It was nice having 2 sinks, but the old toilet was really loud.
Good morning. So, I actually slept pretty well here. The bed's a little short, a little old, but still worked out for me. One thing to keep in mind, this is an active dock, so during the morning time, around 7, 8 o'clock, some noise will start coming through the room, so just be wary of that.
The Promenade Cafe has an excellent and abundant breakfast buffet. You'll find hot eggs, crispy bacon, toast, sausages, pancakes, potatoes, beef hash, fresh fruits, cereals, breads, and more.
Overall, it's been a very fun experience. You just have to remind yourself this ship is almost 100 years old, so you have to give some exception sometimes to some of the older things here.
For the special $208 weekday rate I got, I think it was overall a great value for spending the night on the Queen Mary. That included free parking and a $50 breakfast credit. I love the Queen Mary. For more details, visit my website, johnnytrekkie.com. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and until next time, live long, travel, and prosper.